Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series on systems of equations. No? And dito sa series na to ay pinag-aaralan nga natin kung saan ba nanggaling yung systems of equation at the same time ano ba yung mga strategies para sa pag-solve ng systems of equation. Dito sa video na to in particular ay pag-aaralan natin yung isa sa mga strategies ng pag-solve ng systems of equation. No, ang mga strategies niyan ay solving by substitution, solving by elimination, and solving by graphing. No? So dito, ang pag-aaralan natin dito sa video na to ay solving by substitution. So let's have our first example. We have y equals 2x and x plus y equals 6. So, kung mapapansin niyo meron tayong y dito at the same time meron tayong y dito, no? And dahil nga meron tayong ang tawag sa strategy na to ay substitution, ibig sabihin magsa-substitute tayo, no? So, since y equals 2x at meron tayong y dito, yung 2x na to pwede nating i-substitute dito sa value ng y, no? So, from here, we have yung pinaka-original equation natin ay x plus y equals 6. And then we substitute 2x to y dahil equal nga sila. So, x plus 2x equals 6. Now, x plus 2x is equal to 3x equals 6. And then dividing both sides by 3. No? So, we have x equals 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung ano natin, yung solution natin ay x equals 2. And of course, we still have to we still have to solve for the value of y. And pag nakuha mo na yung x, pwede ka na mag-substitute kahit saan man dito sa dalawang to kasi pareho nga sila ng solution, di ba? So we have x plus y. For example, i-substitute natin siya dito sa second equation. We have x plus y equals 6. Meron na tayong x. We have 2 plus y equals 6. And then y equals 6 minus 2. And y equals 4. So y equals 4 yung ating solution. So the solution for this systems of equation is x equals 2 and x equals 2 and y equals 4. No? Next we have number 2. So number 2 we have 3x minus y equals 8 at saka x equals 5 minus 2y. No? So same, no? Hanap tayo ng expression na pwede nating i-substitute dun sa kabilang equation. So, dito, ang pwede nating i-substitute is yung 5 minus 2y dun sa x, no? Dahil dito, ang equivalent expression ng x ay 5 minus 2y. So, from the original equation, we have 3x minus y equals 8. And then yung x, papalitan natin siya ng 5 minus 2y, no? So, 3 times quantity 5 minus 2y. 5 minus 2y, and then may minus y pa tayo dito, no? And then minus y equals 8. And then by distributive property, 3 times 5 is 15. Minus 3 times 2y is 6y. Minus y, yung nasa labas, equals 8, no? And then 15 minus 7y equals 8. So subtract 15. We need to subtract 15 from both sides para negative 7y na lang matitira dito, no? So 8 minus 15. So negative 7y equals negative 7. And y equals negative 7. This is negative 7. Negative 7 over negative 7. Y equals 1. So, ang ano natin dito, ang y is equal to 1. And then we need to, again, substitute ito sa mga equations na ito. Kahit saan man dito para makuha natin yung value ng x. So, sa second equation, we have x equals 5 minus 2y. And x equals 5 minus 2. Ang y natin ay 1, di ba? 2 times 1. Then, x equals 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. No? So, dito, ang solution natin ay x equals 3 tsaka y equals 1. Okay? So, burahin na natin yung ating scratch. or scratch work. So number 3, no? We have y equals 4x plus 1, and then y equals negative 2x plus 7. So dito, parang wala tayong pwedeng i-substitute, ano? But notice that pareho tayong may y. So if y is equal to y, therefore, this one is also equal to this one. So pwede natin i-equate to kasi pareho silang y, yung equivalent expression nila. So 4x plus 1 is equal to negative 2x plus 7. And then 4x plus 2x equals 7 minus 1. We have 6x equals 6 and x is equal to 1. Okay? So dito ang ano natin, ang ating solution ay x equals 1, and of course we still have to substitute dun sa mga values. Dito tayo para puro tayo positive. Dun tayo sa una. So y equals 4 times 1, which is x. 4 times 1 plus 1 for y equals 5. So dito y equals 5. Okay, so last example. We have x plus y equals 10 and 2x plus 3y equals 24. So, kung naalala ninyo at kung napanood nyo yung previous video, ito yung ating equation sa previous video, and ang ginawa natin doon, wala tayong pwedeng i-substitute. So, dito tayo sa pinakasimple, no? Ay mag-manipulate tayo dito. So, pwede nating sabihin na x plus y equals 10, and then we get for the equivalent expression of x or y. So, kung kukunin natin yung x, kung kukunin natin yung y, for example, y equals 10 minus x, no? We subtract x from both sides, mawawala to dito, and then magma-minus x tayo dito. And then, this is from equation 1, di ba? And then we substitute dun sa equation 2, di ba? So we have 2x sa equation 2. This is equation 1, equation 2. Substituting the value of y in equation, or the equivalent expression of y in equation 2, we have 2x plus 3y equals 24. Yan yung original, di ba? And then 2x plus 3y. Ang y natin ay 10 minus x times quantity 10 minus x equals 24, no? And then 2x plus 3 times 10 is 30 minus 3 times x is 3x equals 24. We have 2x minus 3x is negative x. And then we have 24 minus 30, no? Magma-minus ka na pag nilipat na sa kabila kasi plus siya dito. And then we have negative x equals negative 6 and x equals 6. So dito, ang x natin ay equal to 6, and we know that x plus y equals 10, and I guess obviously y equals 4, no? Kasi 10 yung sum nila dito. Okay, so I think that's the end of our video. Ang idea is to find an expression which you can substitute dun sa unknown in another expression, no? At yan ang naipakita natin dito, no? Siguro baka magkaroon pa tayo ng more examples sa mga susunod na videos natin. Maraming salamat, and see you in the next tutorial. By the way, invite ko kayo sa zip9.com, yung ating website, and of course, in-invite ko kayo mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Merong subscribe button dyan sa lower right ng video. Okay? So, para ma-inform kayo every time na meron tayong bagong video. Maraming salamat, and see you in the next tutorial.